We just got to our cabin here on the beautiful Coral Princess in Hong Kong, and we're going to do a quick room tour for you. We are in a regular balcony, and so here we go. First off, just to remind everyone, right here on the back of the door is the easiest place to see where your muster station is, both to do your muster and if we have an emergency, you know right away way to go. They've got all the directions here that you need. Here's where your cabin is, and then how to get to the muster station from there. They have a little map, so just wanted you to know that's there. Right when you come in the door, first off, we've got the closet area. And inside the closet area, I love how Princess does their closets. You've got this nice open area so you can put your shoes, anything else you need to put on the floor, hang up your clothing, handy dandy shelf up here to put everything. And then right here, there's more storage space. So when you open these doors, you've got your safe right here, and then you've got all of these drawers. So between the drawers that you've got here, and I'll show you the ones next to the bed and the nice hanging area, it really does provide a lot of storage space. Across from the closet is the bathroom. And so I guess I'll step inside and show you. So right off here is the shower area. Princess does have shower curtains on their showers. Only the Star Princess and the Sun Princess actually have shower doors. They have a handy dandy note here on the toilet to remind you only, not to put things in the toilet that you shouldn't put. And right over here, really nice storage space we've got here. Gordon and I always use this. And then a great mirror, and I love the lighting that Princess has in their bathrooms for putting on makeup. You can see what you look like. You've got the Beekman 1802 products here and in the shower. And then we've also got nice sink and World Cruise 2026 duck. So that's really cute. So let's go ahead and go out and take a look at the cabin, well, the bedroom area. Then also I love that they have a full-length mirror right here. It's really easy to stand here and take a look at how you look before you go out of the cabin every time. So really handy dandy. Then right here in the room, they also gave us a World Cruise 2025 bag. We're just doing a segment, but I thought that was a really nice touch. They gave us the bag along with the duck and some luggage tags. I'll show you in a minute. So on each side of the bed here, you have these nice drawers right here, as well as a little shelf there for you on your nightstand. On the Coral Princess here, there's no charging next to the bed. So come right over here. So this is the queen bed configuration. Right across from the bed, you've got the TV. So you can watch TV there while you're relaxing. And then we've also got the desk area right here. And this is an upgrade that they didn't have when we were on here before. We were on the ship basically a year ago for the Panama Canal. They have an Australia plug as well as 2 USBs. And so if you don't have an Australia plug with you, so that's a heads up. If you want to use that, bring a converter with you if you're not from Australia. Over here is where you've got your other plugs. There's 2 regular plugs right here. So we'll set up our chargers right here. Okay, in addition here at the desk to the plugs I was just showing you, we've got 2 drawers right here and a handy dandy little shelf right there. On the desk here, we've got, this is the pattern. Today is Easter. And so here's the schedule of events. We've got a welcome aboard letter from the captain for everyone. And we've also got this handy dandy list of the theme evenings in the buffet. And I always really enjoy looking at this. For example, this evening, which is Hong Kong night, they've got a cook to order station. Tomorrow evening, it's a pasta station. So I kind of hope it's Italian night tomorrow night. So they've got that. Then our shore excursion tickets are all right here. They're right here in the envelope. So here are the luggage tags as well as bookmarks. So you just open and you can put your information in here for your luggage tag and hook it on your luggage. So that's very nice. Right across here, we've got the area that has the refrigerator. The refrigerator's down here, and then you just open it. So sorry. There's your refrigerator. it's not very cold in there. So if you have medicine, take it down to the medical center and they'll keep it for you. And then nice area, nice storage area up here. There is another plug right here. So if you need one more plug, a place to charge things, that's there for you. And then finally, we've got our balcony here. You notice it's nice new drapes. And it's pouring down rain outside right now. But yeah, that's a nice balcony. We're excited to be here. So let me know what questions you've got about the cabin, and I'm delighted to answer them. I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you.